Baking soda. I got baking soda. What, nigga? Give me a piece of this cheese. What?
So we all know 50 Cent had some issues, financial issues, filing bankruptcy, to remanage his spendings, his money, and we won't know that he doesn't want to pay Rick Ross' baby mama the money she wants because she wants a big million millions of dollars. So 50 Cent just shares a lot of things which, you know, have to do with a lot of money, like the video I just put in the video and for my Instagram, and the money, and the champagne worth $1.8 million. So Rick Ross baby mama, she she all shows the court that just 50 Cent is faking that he's broke. She wants to say that the expenses just outshadows everything what 50 Cent claim to have, and she asked a court judge to dismiss the extravagant reimbursements so 50 can start paying it. So the woman wants 50 to pay a lot of money, you know because 50 reportedly spends a lot of money too, like $50,000 on hotels for his legal team, $14,000 in legal research, no, over $100,000 on his home in Connecticut every month. So you know the people get confused.